Hey guys, Cameron here from Sports Marine in Sydney. Today I'm going to show you over this Boston Whaler 325 Conquest 2022 model, ready for immediate delivery. Love to show you on it. Follow me. The cockpit on this particular 325 Conquest is fitted with the port side seating arrangement here, converting this rear cockpit into a dinette area for all your family and friends, which also doubles as you can fold these away and turns this into a serious fishing platform. If you're looking to take family and friends out on a day out in the water, this particular 325 is fitted with the outdoor grill, 230 volt here. Also got the electric aft sunshade, keeping you and your guests protected from the sun. Starboard side here, we've got the Korean bench top here, along with the wet bar, a couple of cup holders, a Dometic fridge, and a rubbish bin over this side. This mid-ship portside lounge here is currently configured as a rear-facing trolling seat to keep an eye on all your rods and spread while you're fishing. Quick pull of the backrest turns into a forward-facing dining seat as well, and that forward passenger seat reclines back to turn it into a forward-facing passenger seat. This helm area is by far my favourite part of the vessel. This particular 325 is fitted with Twin Mercury 300 V8s in the cold white, running the Mercury vessel view here. It's also running twin Raymarine 16-inch Axioms with Real Vision 3D sonar on it as well. This forward dinette area actually converts into a full forward V-berth. Just got to take the backrest cushions off and they infill on top of the table, turning into a lovely forward berth. So there it is, guys, this 2022 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest here in Sydney at Sports Marine, ready for immediate delivery. Bear in mind this has got pre-delivery hours on only, so don't wait for a new one. Come see me here in Brookvale. My details are down below. Look forward to seeing you soon.